Okay, so I just picked up this Husky 26-inch tool cabinet here. I've actually been needing some storage for some camera gear, and I saw a lot of people talk about this, and I just went and picked it up from Home Depot. They had it in stock, and so I grabbed it. I just figured I'd do a quick little unboxing. This is different than the normal car stuff I do, but decent size, not too big, not too small, but we'll go ahead and get it unboxed and see what it takes to put it together. All right, so I got it out of the box here, and got them in this drawer. Got just the mats and whatnot here. Wheels should be in here. No wheels. All right, there it is. Got the wheels here. So we'll go ahead and get this flipped over, and comes with, these are the keys. So I'm guessing the wheels just kind of snap on, or there's tools in there. All right, so one thing I forgot to mention is the handle. Completely forgot about it and was gonna install the casters until I realized I should probably just do this first. So got the handle installed, just kind of kept them hand tight. I use a 5/16 for the screws over here. Now I'm going to install the swivels here, and you're basically gonna put these two pieces down. You're gonna have them like this, and like this. And then you're going to put this on top, slide this in here, and screw these down through there to here. So I'll show you that. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a little tip and save you a world of time. This took me about 30 minutes to figure out. But if yours comes with the butterfly washers here, these are supposed to snap in like this, right? They're supposed to sit flush. Your wheels aren't supposed to come at an angle. But getting these to sit flush was the biggest pain, and the instructions they just are pointless. They don't really help. So after trying to figure it out for about 30 minutes, I finally ran across this video where someone was like, in a comment, they're like, these have to sit flush. I thought I took the drawer out. I thought you had to put them up in here and do all that, but nope, they sit flush. I just had to take a hammer and try to just bang it out. But you have to make sure that when they're sitting down, like they're sitting on the hole there, they have to be level, and then just give it like a good bang down the center, and it'll sit flush. So now, after forever, just put this in here, just like that, and your screws will go in. Perfect. All right, so after it taken me a while to kind of figure out the whole thing with the butterfly washers, got it set. I put the drawer back on. I do notice that a little bit, like these are a little off here. You see this this gap, like things are just seem a little off, but I'm guessing just because it's some mass-produced piece, that's going to be the case. But need a little bit of extra force when kind of pulling it, and same thing when closing it. So I don't know, maybe. And of course, yeah, so I'm having an issue with this one. Maybe I didn't align it right, but overall, it looks pretty good. It's gonna serve its purpose. I'm using this for camera gear and just a bunch of other things that this is just gonna be good for small storage space in an apartment complex. But overall, outside of the whole butterfly washer issue, this thing was pretty easy to put together. And I hope someone can find it useful, and curious to see how it turns out once I get it loaded and put all my stuff in there. I'm excited to kind of have it all in one place instead of random places. But that's going to be the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.